my god, mine is like literally dripping.
Okay, ready?
Hold on. Yeah, ready? 1, 2, yeah. This is bomb. It's really good. I've had so many mixed reviews, but I'm not disappointed at all.
It's way better than
Tasting nothing like what the East Coast has. Jack. And I'm so hyped, I can't wait to try it. We're in the mall now. And we're trying to find somewhere to sit down. I'll let you guys know how it is. Right now we're in the mall. I finished that little waffle ice cream thing I showed you guys earlier. It was bomb. But yeah, so today, don't mind my shoes, but some makeup of the day.
Beats by Dim's Rhythm, beat maker of Reunion Island, baby.
Hey vlog, Merry Vlogmas, day 2. This is our last day in California. We're about to go home tonight. I'm so sad. I had so much fun here. Don't know why there's a random fridge in the street. But yeah, this is Vlogmas day 2. And we're going back to In-N-Out. We had In-N-Out yesterday. You guys will see in Vlogmas day 1. Make sure you guys go peep that. But we had it yesterday and it was bomb. Like people were trying to tell us that Five Guys is better, and I love Five Guys, but what's it called? In-N-Out was bomb, straight bomb. But yeah, so we're about to head over there. We're waiting on our lift and we're just taking some pictures, and yeah, so I'll see you guys when we're at the mall.
Beats by Dim's Rhythm, beat maker of Reunion Island, baby.
We are now on our way to In-N-Out. We just went to stop in there really quick before we left. But we're going to In-N-Out again. I'm honestly excited because it was way better than I thought it was gonna be. Like, I'm just hyped. But we're walking. We need to see where the closest In-N-Out is. We've just been walking because it's really nice out today. But yeah, so I'll see you guys when I see you.
Beats by Dim's Rhythm, beat maker of Reunion Island, baby.
Hey YouTube, we're finally in Boston now. I'm sorry I didn't vlog too much. We're at the airport right now. We're gonna get picked up soon. We made it. The flight was long. I was nervous. The snow is really bad in Boston right now, so I was really nervous about like the plane. I look crusty, dusty, musty because I had to take my eyelashes off. I was just too tired. I was just done. I was not with the shit. I'm about to go home. I'm about to take a shower. I'm about to take a fat nap. I'm about to eat some food. I really am gonna miss LA. Like, LA was a really good time, to be completely honest. Like, it just made me like excited to have traveled there by myself. Well, obviously with Olivia, but like without my family and shit. And I just can't wait to see like what I can do by myself. Now that I've traveled, I can do so much by myself. Like, now that I've traveled by plane, I've traveled by bus, I've traveled by train, I've done all that. But by plane, honestly, it just changes the whole entire game. And I'll hit you guys back when I'm finally in my house.
Do not miss this at all.
We're
Back.
back.
We're back.
We're freaking back
Hell.
to this freaking weather.
Like, let me literally show my vlog too.
Because wow, do you guys see the change that we're experiencing? Okay, vlog. Oh shit. Here is my long ass driveway that I'm gonna carry my luggage all the way through. Oh my god. Oh. And my car. It looks like it has the shape of a freaking Tesla. Now. Ah! All right. Home sweet home. Ah! We just love life. We're moving now. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications for every single time I post a new video. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.